we can do now. This is the hack of cooking, or the tip of cooking, because when people were just asking me, like, just to do very easy way to just peel your garlic, right? So basically you have like a big piece is a good time, and then you're just trying to find the mortar or any baseball bat, the short one can do, and then you just find the bowl, which is like wooden. It's nice. So you just bang them. When you bang, you have to bang into the head, because the head is the way to separate it, right? And then the other, the same deal. Okay, just bang into the head, and then you just find the empty bowl like this and put them in. It's pretty much of like how you separate, like, you know, those skin, and also this, very easy. And now you have it, and you can put like the skin is just right here, and the way you want it to chop it, now it's getting easier. Whatever you can do, just get this out of your way, and then you're just gonna do the same way that most of the chefs, you know, do. 3 finger, pretty much, and chop it, whatever you like. So this is like my tip of you can do how to peel, very easy. But when it comes to shallot, because shallot is kind of really smaller than red onion, so the way that most of people say that you don't cry, it's not true, because you cry anyway. So we'll just try to cut the head off first, yeah? So then you just try to load them just like that. See, just put the tip of the knife kind of like that, and then you have it. No matter how you wanted to cut it, just the way the chef like it, you know, just like that. And then you do this, and then you just chop, or you wanted to slice it, 3 finger, and the skin, let's go. That's the tip. Voila, from Chef Elisa. Love you.